Hello, welcome. Let's look at this JAMB past question, Geography 2018, question number 35. Along which latitude will the daytime be longest on Christmas Day? A. 0 degrees, B. 45 degrees south, C. 45 degrees north, D. 30 degrees north, E. 30 degrees south. So along which latitude are you going to have daytime the longest on Christmas Day? Now, the period which involves having different lengths of day and night is known as the solstice. Those periods are known as the solstice. If you're having different lengths of days and nights. Now, it occurs when the sun is vertically. Whenever you have the sun vertically overhead are the tropics of Cancer and Capricorn. So whenever you have the sun vertically overhead are the tropics of Cancer and Capricorn. That's when we have this, and that is always at 23.5 degrees north for the Cancer, and for the Capricorn 23.5 degrees south. Now, the winter solstice, which has longer days and shorter nights, occurs usually around December 22. That is Christmas Day, around Christmas Day, and it occurs at the latitude of 23.5, this latitude 23.5 south, and other latitudes close to the tropics of Capricorn. Other latitude close should be latitudes that are very close to 23.5, and from here we can see that 30 degrees south is very close, and that makes this option the answer to the question. So in the option we have 30 degrees, very close, so it's actually occurring here, but it can also happen very close to 23.5, which is 30 degrees south, and that makes option E the right answer to this. So we're talking about solstice, and this solstice could be winter when it's happening around the Capricorn or around the Cancer area. So Capricorn is 23.5 degrees south, Cancer is 23.5 degrees north. So if you're talking about what happens around December 22, so you're talking about the south. So other latitude close to 23.5 south is 30 degrees south. So that makes option E the right answer to the problem. Thank you.